Hello, good day everyone. This is a video on chapter 4 scale drawing. I want to revise chapter 4 together with you, and in the end of the video I will show you how to solve the exercises Cikgu Idwan posted today. Okay, if you have no problem in understanding this topic, actually you can fast forward the video. Okay, you don't have to learn all. Okay, chapter 4 is very similar. It is a little similar to what you have learned during Form 1 in the topic rates, ratios, and proportion, but it is a little different. Okay, so before we start, please remember these very simple unit changing. So to solve scale drawing question, you have to use the same unit. You cannot compare cm with meter, then meter with km. You change all to the same units. Okay, I think this is very easy. Should we try? I'll give you the answer. Okay, so for to change meter to change km to meter, it is given here, multiply with 1000. So meter to cm times 100. So this is easy, huh? Then cm to mm times 10. So remember this. Okay, so if the other way around, you divide. Okay, mm to cm bahagi 10, then bahagi 100 for cm to meter, meter to km bahagi 1000. Okay, so change all. If the question wants the final answer to be in meter, so you change all to meter. If the final answer wants you to if they want the final answer in cm, then you change all to cm first. So this is easy. Next, okay, this is chapter 4 Form 1. So we revise a little. Okay, there are 1200 students, 650 of them are girls. So write down the ratio. So ratio, the number of girls to the number of boys. So for this type of question, some students do this A to B lah. A, then you explain A is girls. Okay, B is for boys. You don't have to do it this way actually. Okay, actually you can just write G for girls, then B for boys. Okay, it is easier for you this way. Just use any letter from the question. So you can just use G and B. So it is very easy to understand. G stands for girls. So there are 650 girls. So the number of boys are minus 550. Okay, for this ratio, the teacher always wants you to simplify the answer in the simplest form. Actually, you can use your calculator. Okay, 650 to 550 means 650 over 550. You change it into fraction form, then you change it into improper fraction. Guna calculator. Tekan shift ABC, then you will get 13 to 11. Normally the teacher wants you to simplify your answer in the simplest form. Okay, this is for the chapter ratio, the chapter on ratio, 13 to 11. Okay. This is also another very important skill to remember. So the ratio of Southie's salary to Zainal's salary is 5 to 3. So just write Southie to Zainal, 5 to 3. Then it is said that Zainal's salary is 3,600. So Zainal, you put here Zainal. Okay, now you have to find the salary of you have to find salary Southie's salary, the amount of salary Southie received. So how? You use cross multiplication, remember? So cross multiplication is the most important concept, is the easiest and the most important concept. We can use this to solve any type of problem. Remember cross multiply, yang ada kawan ini, you darab dulu 5 times 3,600 first. Okay, then this is alone this one seorang saja okay, then divided by 3, you will get your answer as 6,000. So Sophie's salary is as much as 6,000. So remember these two. Just remember how you solve ratio, then how to use cross multiplication. Then after that, you apply this in this topic chapter 4. Okay, scale drawing. Okay, I compare these two topic. The topic on ratio. The topic of ratio, we normally don't. We must compare. We must compare the situation. We must compare each item. Each item only when they have the same units. Okay, you must compare meter with meter and meter. Example, they give you 1 cm, 1 meter. You have to change. You can either change both into cm or both into meter. Okay, or better still, you look at the question. If the final answer wants you to change all into meter, you change all into meter first. Okay, it saves time. So same unit, mesti sama unit. In the end, you don't write the units down. Okay, for example, just now we said RM berapa? RM 3,600. RM 6,000 to RM 3,600. Normally we write down as 6,000 dot dot to 3,600. Okay, you don't write down the units. So in the end, you don't have to write down the units. Okay? For ratio, normally the teacher wants you to write down in the simplest form. Remember simplest form? Okay? Then simplest form means 2 to 4, then the teacher will always want you to write down in 1 to 2 simplest form okay? And normally tidak ada macam ini. Okay? Tidak ada 0.1 to half. Okay? Normally the teacher your Form 1 teacher wants you to change this and this into whole number. We only use whole number 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You never see decimals or fraction during ratio. Okay? At least not during not when you give the final answer. Okay, so what are the difference between ratio and this scale drawing? Okay, you remember ratio, simplest form. Okay, in this way. What about scale drawing? Okay, for scale drawing, it also involves the same unit. Okay, when calculating, always change all to the same unit. Then in the end, you don't write down the units. Okay. Scale drawing, you write scale drawing in the form of 1 to n. Okay. You can write it in the form to 1 to n. For example, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, then 1 to half. Okay. 1 to 3.5. Okay, so can you see the difference? For scale drawing, you can use fraction. You see, you can use fraction or even decimals. Okay. If you are a little bit observant, you can make conclusion kan? Tadi ratio tidak boleh ada pecahan, this fraction and decimals. Okay, now for scale drawing, you can do it this way. Ada boleh guna half, boleh guna 3.5, 0.5. or it is okay. And be a little bit more observant. You can see the first number normally change it to 1. Change it to 1. Okay, it is 1 to something, 1 to something, 1 to something, macam itu. Okay, why 1? Okay, for this topic you remember this, D to O. Okay, you know D O or not, the singer. Okay, chapter 4, you only remember this. D to O, D to O. Okay, it means drawing to original. For every question in this topic, kamu guna formula ini, D to O, D to O, drawing to original, drawing to original. You always compare drawing to the original one, drawing to the object. Okay, ini drawing. O stands for the object or the original object. Drawing can be in the form of map or your drawing or your okay. Drawing macam itulah drawing something on paper. So this is scale. Why we always use this 1 to 1? Why we always start from 1? How it means? Ayo, susah. Where should I write? I don't want to erase this off. Memorize this, okay? Drawing to original, drawing to original. I'll erase this off, Oh, sayang. Okay, 1 to 1. 1 to 1, you know lah, meaning the pen is, for example, the pen is 9 cm. Kamu pun lukis 9 cm. Macam itu. You draw it exactly the same like the original original size. Okay? Lukis sama size dengan dia, okay? Okay, let's say 1 to 3. Apa maksud 1 to 3 and 1 to 0.5? Okay, what is the meaning of 1 to 3, 1 to 0.5? Okay, let's remember. This is your drawing. Okay, this is your original object. It means when you draw 1 cm on paper, it means 3 cm originally. Okay, originally it is 3 cm, but on paper you only draw 1 cm. So originally the object is larger than your drawing. Okay, the object is larger than your drawing. So normally when you draw the plan of a house, or you want to design a car, or you for your RBT kan sangat banyak benda macam ini. For example, you want to design a house, you don't go and buy a very big piece of paper, then you draw your house according to the size tidak kan? So your house should be your house will be very big, but on paper it will be smaller. So maybe you can use the scale 1 to 300 1 cm to 3 meter. Susah mau kira. Boleh lah. Okay, 1 to 3. So originally the object will be larger than your drawing. So what about the next one? 1 to 0.5. So you see, always remember this formula. So 0.5 is your object. It means when you draw 1 cm on paper, you're drawing 1 cm. Originally, it is only 0.5. So you are drawing it larger. Why draw larger? Give me, I cannot see you. Give me an example of apa-apa that you want to draw it larger. Okay, science ada ini macam science your science lukis sel pipi lukis apa Paramecium protozoa, bacteria, lukis coronavirus you cannot draw very small Okay, you enlarge it. So you have to enlarge it with the correct scale, with the correct drawing scale. So this number, this one will be larger than the original object. Okay, I hope you can understand this. Huh? Boleh lah. Before answering the question, kita cuba dua soalan ah. Dua soalan. So let's say the question looks like this. You don't have to copy, you only have to understand. Okay? So always use this formula, drawing to original. Then you must know which is drawing, which is the original object. So the question say P is the drawing. So P is the drawing. You can compare any side. If you want to use 12, then you compare it with 4. If you want to use 27, then you compare it with 9 or any other sides. Or it will be the same. Kamu guna mana-mana sisi. Okay, we have 4 sides here. Just choose one. It should be the same. It should mesti betul lah. If not, lukisan kamu sengit sudah lah. So P is the drawing. So let's say we choose 12. We compare 12 and 14. So P is the drawing, you write here. Okay? Then Q is the original object. So Q, you write here. So how to change it into the scale form? Tengok nombor yang pertama ini. If this is 12, you divide all with 12. Okay? 12 divided by 12, you get 1. We always want to get 1. Then 4 divided by 12, you have, don't put your answer as 0.3333. I change it to fraction form, 1/3. Okay? So this is your answer, 1 to 1/3. So very easy, You look at the first number, kalau 12, kamu bagi 12 loh. Kalau 27, divided by 27. Okay, 9 also divided by 27. Then you get the same answer. Okay, if you compare 27 with 9, you also get 1 to 1/3. So this is how you state the scale. Scale for this topic. Okay, another question. On before this we discuss your homework. Okay, a street length of 3.5 km is represented by a 5 cm line on a map. Find the scale of the map. Apa dia cakap okay, or you can either change all to you can see one is 3.5 km, one is 5 cm. You change all to the same unit. Normally you change it to cm sebab nombor yang besar lebih senang daripada decimal. If you want to change km to cm, it will be berapa times 1000 times 1 350,000. Okay, if you want to change 5 cm to km, then it will be harder, kan? Actually okay lah. Up to you. Okay, first change this to cm. You know how to change km to meter times 1000. Then meter, change it to cm, you have to multiply with another 100. So 1100 darab 3.5 times 1000 times 100 you'll get 350,000. Now you have cm here and cm there. Only you can compare. Okay, use this magic formula, D to O, drawing to original. So which is your drawing? Drawing is the line you draw on the map. Okay, drawing can be your line, it can be your map, or your drawing, or your plan. We call that plan, bukan? Or your apalah. So on the map it is 5 cm. Your drawing is 5 cm. So the street is very long, 350,000. So how to change it to scale? Remember, this is 5 bahagi 5 lah. Dan ini pun bahagi 5. Guna calculator. 1 to so the answer is 70,000. So this is how you write down your answer. 1 to 70,000. So if you think logic bukan? When you draw 1 cm on paper, it means 70,000 cm in reality. In reality, your street is 70,000 cm long, but in drawing on your map, you only draw 1 cm. Kamu lukis 1 cm, 70,000. Another cm, another 70,000. Another cm, another 70,000. Okay, cm to kilometer is only berapa? I don't know. Okay, you can start. If you see these questions are prepared by Cikgu Idwan. So if you cannot see it clearly, kamu guna yang photostat punya lah. Okay, I don't have this soft copy. Okay, so how? Okay, which of the figure A, B, C, D is the scale drawing of figure R? So always use this magic formula. So which of these is the okay, scale 1 to 2 So R is the object. So which of these is the correct drawing? So just compare any side lah. Let's say we compare this. Okay, 2 cm. Kalau 2 cm originally, drawing perlu berapa leh? So ini perlu berapa leh? Okay, remember use your cross multiplication. 2 times 1 equals to 2. Then divided by half. Dapat berapa? Guna calculator. Then your answer will be 4. So kalau sini 2 cm, then in your drawing it must be 4 cm. So you go and count which one is 4 cm. Ini lah. Okay, kan? Ini 2 becomes, bukan cm, units grid. Okay, if you have grids here, normally we say unit because we don't know dia cm ke ataupun apa. Okay, so 4 units. So only C is the answer. Okay, if you want to compare ini dengan ini lagi, ini dengan ini lagi, also can. You also get the same answer. So the first question is C. Second question. On a plan which is drawn to a scale of 1 to... Okay. Before reading the question, write down the formula first. Saya malas mau baca soalan. Okay. The length of a room. Okay. On a plan, meaning that when you draw, the length of the room is 7 cm. But what is the actual length of the room in meter? So now the question wants, in the end, the question wants your answer to be in meter. So cepat-cepat you tukar cm kepada meter dulu before you do any calculation. Okay, if you want to change it later, nanti kamu lupa mah. So you do it now. So 7 cm, you change it to meter first. It will be 0.07 meter. Now only you start. Okay, this is your drawing, 0.07. So originally berapa leh? So use cross multiplication. Okay, 0.07 times 140 divided by 1 itu tak perlu divide lah, kan sama saja. Okay, so you will get your answer as 9.8. Okay? Remember, change this cm to meter. If not, you will get different answer mah. So remember cm, change it to meter first. If you insist of using 7 cm, then in the end you have to change it back into meter. Sama saja. Okay? This is an easier way. D. Number 3. What is this? We focus on the warehouse. The floor floor plan of a warehouse. The scale, okay, don't forget, write down this. Ayo, 1 to 300. Okay, before reading, just write this down. Find the area of the main store. Oh, main store, only main store. Main store. Oh, I see main store here. Okay. In meter. Oh, because the question wants it in meter. Oh, you change it to meter first. Okay. Main store is here only. The purple. What? The purple part. Okay. So 2 cm. 2 cm in meter is 0.02. Okay, change it to 0.02 first. And what about the length? Okay, the length, or 10 or 10 minus 6 minus 1 tinggal 9 tinggal 3 cm 3 cm is 0.03. Okay, so how oh, okay. Oh, belum. Okay, you have to change your drawing. Okay, 0.02 meter is how many? 0.02 meter is how many? It's only your drawing. 0.02 meter is only your drawing. Your 2 cm is only your drawing. So originally, how big should it be? Okay, so just use this cross multiplication. 0.02 times 300 divided by 1. Okay, so originally it is what's that? Oh, okay, 6 meter. Kamu guna calculator I think 6 meter bukan? 300 times 0.02 should be 6 meter. This is the height. Okay, then kalau 0.03 lah, kalau erase this off. I erase this off. Okay, now kalau 0.03 berapa lah? 0.03. What is wrong? Oh, okay, pen. Kalau 0.03, okay, 0.03 times 300 bagi 1, the length is 9 meter. Correct, so 9 meter times, to find the area of the main store floor, it is 9 meter times 6 meter. Length times height, length times breadth. Okay, 6 times 54. Yoo-hoo! Oh, habis 1. Okay. Okay lah, can understand or not? Yang penting change it to the same unit. Okay, you don't change it, you don't solve it first and change it later, because it is a little different sebab I know your problem. Some student dia suka darab dulu kan. How to give you an example? Later. Because 3 cm can be 3 meter. 3 cm can be 3 meter in reality. But 300 cm square. What am I talking about? 300 cm. 300 cm is 3 meter. But 300 cm square is how many? How big in meter square? So it is harder to calculate this way. So if you change it, next time I'll give you an example. Okay? Sebenarnya ini betul. Tapi ini most students cannot understand, because they will tend to change this 300 cm square into 3 meter square macam itu loh. Sebenarnya tidak betul. Okay? Okay, number 4. Am I right? Okay, number 4. Number 4 is the basic question. Kalau kamu tidak faham ini, then fahamkan sekarang. Okay? Let's say this is question A. Okay, we solve A first. BC. Okay, you only compare one side lah. Let's say we compare this side. Okay, compare this side with this. Drawing to original. Drawing is here ma. This is drawing. Kalau drawing 1 cm, then originally it is 2 cm. So this is the answer 1 to 2. Okay. Question B. Drawing 2 cm. Originally it also 2 cm. So change it to 1 to 1. Okay. So this is B. Okay. 1 to 1. Next. Okay, C. This is 1 to 2. This is 1 to 1. Okay. Drawing to original. C. C. Drawing is here. Drawing 4 cm. Then originally it is 2 cm. So how do you change it to this form? 1 to n. Bahagi 4. So this is 1. Then this is half. Can. So this is your answer. 1 to half. Boleh ha? This is the very, very basic question. Kalau tidak faham ini, faham kan? B. Bola. Drawing to original. It is said that Q is the drawing. This is the original. Q is the drawing. This is the object. So now you compare and see which one you'll get 1 to 2. Okay, let's say this one. 7, 3.5. Mana dapat 1 to 2 ini? Okay, bahagi 7. This is 1 to 0.5. Okay, so this is not the answer. Kalau bukan jawapan, you don't go and put a cross here. Because the question say mark for the correct diagram. Dia tidak cakap put a cross for the wrong diagram. Okay? So, kalau ini salah, ini mesti betul lah. Okay? Okay? So, you boleh buat, So, for question number 2, it is drawing to original. It is said this is the drawing. Object is 3. So, if you want to get changes to number 1, changes to the number 1, it becomes bahagi, ini pun bahagi, it becomes 1. 3 divided by 1.5, we get 2. Okay, am I recording? Aduh, panjangnya video. Okay, so this is the answer. What am I doing? Okay, this is the answer. Thank you. Okay, this one you draw sendiri boleh. Drawing to original. What happened to my pen? My DIY pen. Okay. You try this on your own, can not? 1 to half. Okay. You compare side to side. Kalau ini 2 units, okay. Kalau the original object is 2 unit, then drawing perlu berapa? It will be 2 times 1 divided by half. Kamu dapat 4. So you draw 4 units here. You draw 4 units here. Lukisan saya susah lah. Okay, then you go and calculate the rest. Okay, kalau 2 units become 4 units. Kalau 3 units become berapa? 6 macam itu loh. Then you draw. Okay, it becomes very large. No lah, it becomes 2 times larger. Not really large. Sekali ganda, 2 kali, I don't know. Is this the last yet? Hatu. Okay. Oh, my children is noisy. Can you hear them? Drawing to original. The width of the hole is 4 cm. Mana width? Okay, find the scale drawing. Okay. Drawing is 4 cm. So the width is this one, 10 cm, Okay. 10 meter. So change 10 meter into cm first. It will be 1000. Huh? 1000 cm. But when you draw, you only draw it as 4 cm. Okay? So it is easier for you lah. Maksudnya kamu lukis 4 cm, maksud dia 1000 cm in reality. Or you change it bahagi 4 Okay? So this is the scale. The scale means when you draw 1 cm on paper, it means 250 cm in reality. Okay? 1 cm on paper means 2.5 meter. Actually it is 2.5, but you don't have this 2.5 meter punya paper ma. So you change it to 1 cm. This is scale drawing, but you have to change it correctly lah. Kalau tidak the height and the length tidak sama lo. Okay? Can lo? Easy. Next. A carpet with a perimeter of 45 meters is placed on the floor from the entrance to the front of the stage. Hai, apa dia tanya? So here lah. Up to here. Okay? So if this is 2.5, sini pun 2.5 mah. Dia kata perimeter 45, so 20 here lah. Kan? Okay. Correct already. 20 cm, 2.5, you get 45 meter. Correct. So, the area of the floor is very easy to count, no? Right? The area of the floor is this part. This is 20 cm, 20 meter. Then this is 10 meter. So area of the floor is 20 times 10. We have 200. Then the area of the carpet. Why I erase off my carpet? I remember or not? Tadi 20 sini ma, 2.5 ma. So the area of your carpet is 20 times 2.5. 50. 50 meters square only. Okay, so calculate the area not covered by the carpet. So 200 minus of 50. 150. You write nicely. Saya tulis macam ni. I only give you the answer. Next. If the actual length of the container is 15 meter, what is the actual height? Change it to apa dia cakap? Okay, change this 15 meter into cm first. 1000. Okay, use this one. Drawing to original. This is only the drawing. We focus on the length first. Okay, if the actual length is 15 meter, 15 meter, but on drawing it is only 8 mah. Boleh. 8 to 1500. So what is the height? Okay, kalau 2 cm 2 cm berapa leh? Kalau 2 cm, I don't know. So use your cross multiplication. One yang ada kawan, you darab. Cross multiplication, cross. Salah itu cross pangkal. 1500 times 2, then divided by 8. Then you get 375 cm. Okay, you can write, because the question didn't say kamu tulis dalam apa mah. So you can either write 375 cm or 3.75 meter. Alang punya. 3.75 meter. Okay? Last. This is also easy. So remember to use this magic formula. Kan? From the first question until the last question, kamu guna formula yang sama saja po. Ayo, so easy ma. So don't worry. This is the easiest topic dalam, I don't know. For me, this is this topic is easier compared to chapter 1, chapter 3, chapter 2 pun chapter 2 pun basic lah. But you have to remember itu micro, pico, nano. Okay? I think this chapter is easier. I think lah, saya rasa lah. Oh, so you don't have to worry. So this is the scale given. The actual distance sebenarnya it is 3.5 kilometer. Okay? But when you draw when you draw kamu guna cm jarang guna kilometer Oh, actually it is tak dapat tulis meh. This is my last question Okay. 3.5 km change to cm. Oh, can just now we do one question pun macam ini mah. Okay. Oh, the other tulis cm mah. Okay. Change it to cm first. 3.5 km to cm is 350,000. Okay. So ini berapa leh? Guna calculator. 350,000 times 1 then divided by 200,000. Dapat berapa? Okay, the actual distance is 3.5 km, but on your map, it is only, selepas darab bagi, you'll get 1.75 cm. Okay? So always check your answer, see if it is logic or not. For this case, 1.75 cm on paper means 3.5 kilometer in reality. So it is very logical. Okay, this is your map now. Okay, so good luck. After this, next week next week belajar bab baru. Okay, if you have any question, please feel free to inform me. Okay, but okay, bye bye.